Hello, this is Stan, TKO Clamps. We want to thank everybody that subscribes to our channel. We want you to know we appreciate everything you guys are already doing. You're putting TKO out there. You're making us a brand name, and we really appreciate it. So much so that we're grateful. What we've done is we've decided to do a monthly drawing on our products. We figured the fastest way to show you how much we respect the time you spend watching our videos and checking TKO out, we're going to be offering this month, we're offering our quick release fire extinguisher system. This comes with a lifetime refill guarantee. We will simply, when you use it, you call us, let us know that you deployed your fire extinguisher. We will send you the product that goes in it, and then you simply will energize it with your compressor at home. What we're going to do is that during the month of May, for every video that we put out, we would like for you to go on and hit the subscribe button, and then hit the like button, and then comment. In the comment box, you simply have to put TKO AM. It's an acronym for TKO, which is us, and AM stands for American Made. If during the month of May we put out 4 videos and you watch all 4, and in the comment box put TKO AM, you now have 4 opportunities to win this fire extinguisher. We just want to know that you know that we really super appreciate all of those that are following us. We also want you to make sure you turn on that notification. Next month, to be putting our gated shifter out there so that you have an opportunity to win a free gated shifter. We have a lot of new products that are coming out. We have a GoPro swivel joint that we have, and we're working on a GPS swivel mount for all of those that carry their phones as their GPS or legitimate full-size GPS. We want to thank you for following us and subscribing to us. This is Stan out, TKO Clamps.